Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. In this video, I will just brief you about what's governor, how he is appointed, and why the post of governor is not known as the employment under the government of India. First, I will discuss how governor is appointed. The nature of government at the state level is same as that of the union, that we usually call as parliamentary system. The constitution under article 153 creates an office of the governor, and each state will have its own governor. However, one governor can be appointed for two or more than two states. Remember, this is a very important point, for two or more than two states. Governor is an executive head or constitutional head. The executive powers are executed under him directly or through the subordinate office. What is the expression subordinate office means? It includes the minister of states. Governor of a state is appointed by the president. He is not directly elected or indirectly elected, as the president of India is elected indirectly by the electoral college. Rather, I can say he is a nominee of the center. In Hargobind versus Raghul case, it has been clearly mentioned that the office of the governor is not an employment under government of India. The member of State Public Service Commission can be appointed as the governor of any state, because the office of governor does not come under the provisions or prohibitions of clause D of article 319. Article 319 clause D says that the member of State Public Service Commission can become the member of Union Public Service Commission, but he cannot take any employment which is under the government of India. So if a member of the State Public Service Commission cannot take any employment which is under the government of India, then how come it is possible for the same person, for the member of State Public Service Commission, to be appointed as a governor? Yes, it is clearly mentioned in this case that the post of governor, or I can say office of the governor, is not an employment under the government of India. So a member of Public Service Commission can become the governor of any state. The office of governor is an independent, is not under the control or subordinate to government of India. He is neither answerable to either of the houses of legislature or parliament or council of ministers, and his act cannot be subject to judicial review.